guys, welcome. So today I just want to do a little unboxing that I got of a package I got in the mail today. It's from the brand Sol De Janeiro. I'm sure you guys know it. So it came in this like brown box. I ordered only 3 things off the website because I had this coupon code for 15% off or something. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So yeah, let's open it if I can. Oh my goodness, they taped it so finally I opened it. So this came in like this, and the little packaging slipped in here. So I got 3 things. So the first thing I got was the Brazilian Crush fragrance mist. So it looks like this. I actually have one, but I needed it to be $50 or more, so I get the free shipping and everything. So I just got another one of this. It smells so good. It's literally my favorite. Yeah, it just smells like coconuts and amazing. So the next thing I got, I actually never tried before. It's the Coco Cabana. I know my friend Zoe, she has the lotion and it smells good, but I don't think she likes the texture of it or something. So I got the spray and I smelled the lotion in the store at Sephora, and it smelled so strong, and I was like, ooh, this is good. And I wonder what the body spray looks like. So it just looks like that. I like the color too. It's so pretty compared to it's these are really nice summer colors. So the last thing I got, and the main reason why I bought all this was I ran out of my favorite chapstick, which is the Brazilian Crush, and actually Zoe got me my first one in November, and I ran out 2 months ago. So I ran out in December, and it's February, and I got it in October, November. And yeah, it's literally my favorite. It just smells so good. And it smells so good. So this is what it looks like when you open it. It's just the Sol De Janeiro Brazilian Crush, and I don't know, something about it just is so good. And yeah, these are the 3 items that I got, that I picked up. Yeah, I just want to share them with you. I'll leave their link down below. This video is not sponsored or anything. I wish it was, but it's not. If you guys want to buy some, I'm going to leave the link in the description, and if you do, I want to know what you guys got too. And I can't wait to try out this blue one, because I have this one and I love it, but I just want to know how good is this one. Does it smell good too? And a fave. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like to see any other video, comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see. Bye guys.